Hey guys, J6 here, and today I'll be doing a video on how to put back together a Long-Strike, because I recently broke a piece in mine which is very vital. I broke this bit, came apart, and I set it back together, and it's been sitting there for a couple of hours setting, so hopefully it works, and this will be a tutorial on how to put back together a Long-Strike. This is the basic inside of a Long-Strike with no pieces in it. Here's the other side, and the only thing that you're really going to need is a screwdriver, not a big one, and a smaller one as well to do the two small screws up on the top side. So, see how we go. What we'll be doing is putting the trigger and this piece back together, and how you do that is you simply put this through there like that, and it should just go in. And that fits in there just like that. Next, we shall be putting back in all these pieces. So the plunger, the spring, the lock. Yep, let's give this a shot. Okay, so now that the plunger's in, next thing we're going to do is put this piece in. So make the gun fire. And that, all you really have to do is pull the plunger out, put in there, and that bit can be a real annoyance to get back together. So, little hinge there, slide this line down, put that up there. Okay, next thing we're going to do is put the spring in and this and lock them in place. See, the spring is really easy to put back in. Just do it like that. And next bit can be quite difficult because bits will come out. There we go, and then you'll have two of these little screws here. And we'll just screw them in there, just like that. Now that that's in place, one thing I should have done before all this is put this little guard cover back in. Let's go ahead and do that. Should be working. Yep, now let's try and put this thing back together. I have now successfully put back together the Long-Strike, and first let's grab a clip and give it a test to see how it's going. This is the test fire on the long shot, and let's see how it works. Apparently not too good. Okay, this is put back together Long-Strike, all screws in, and just remember, if you have misplaced a screw, then you better try and find it, because most likely that thing is gone forever. Okay guys, I have successfully put back together the Long-Strike, and it's working pretty well. I'm happy with it. It is a lot better than it did while broken, obviously. And if you want to see any other videos or anything like that, just post a comment down below. And cheers for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.